Watch this video and learn how to draw a cozy fireplace.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you good today?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Do you know what we're going to draw today?
No,
Well, do you want to do a drawing today?
no one to make art.
You don't want to make art?
Just kidding.
Oh, Artie.
I joke.
So you do want to make art?
Yeah, art. Artie loves art. Okay, let's make art. Okay, yeah, okay.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Hi, Betty and Mikey. Okay, Artie, you've got your marker pens. I think you've got your paper there. Should we begin? Are you ready? Okay, let's get going.
He's ready, he's steady, he's going to start. Watch out, Betty, he's gonna make art.
Draw a line across the center of the page, a sort of frown shape. Draw another line exactly the same just underneath. Now from the end of that curve, do a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the page. Perfect. Now do the same on the left side. And the same again from the end of the upper curve. Don't forget the left side.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now do a short horizontal straight line on the left side. That's good. And then one on the right also. And let's go all the way up to the top. We'll go all the way up on the left side. And guess what now, Artie? We're going to join those two lines and go all the way across.
Okay.
Do a tiny little vertical line on the right and left side. And do another horizontal line all the way across.
Mikey, do you like Artie's hair?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors.
We love your hair as well, Betty. It's sable-coloured. That's very good, Artie. Maybe we should do one more level above. So another little short line, one on the left, and then connect the two with a long horizontal line.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw a sort of box on top of our fireplace. This is called the chimney breast. Let's draw some feet on the bottom of the fireplace.
Feet.
Yes, they're sort of feet.
Left foot.
That's right, left foot. And right foot. Let's make those feet a little bit bigger with another step. Excellent work, Artie. Let's connect the feet with another horizontal line.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
Another horizontal line across. Now let's draw some detail in the legs of the fireplace. A little box at the top of the left leg. And another little box at the top of the right leg. Let's add even more detail with a smaller box underneath the first one. Architecture, like fireplaces and doors and windows, always have lots of detail. Let's draw a smaller square inside the chimney breast.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
How about another box on top of the chimney breast?
Okay.
Shape break. You want a shape break, Artie? Okay, calm down. We can have a shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the Shape Break. My name's Louie, and I'm going to teach you today about this shape right here. It's a rectangle. Now, rectangle is a very interesting shape because it has 4 sides, just like a square. But here's the tricky bit. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Rectangle, however, is different. I'll show you. So, the bottom here is quite short, as you see, and the top is as well. But notice the left and the right here are longer. So, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, so let's think of some things that are rectangular shaped. Well, a door. Doors are usually rectangular shaped, yes. Books are nearly always rectangular shaped, nearly. My cell phone. Cell phones are rectangular shaped. Money, paper money, is always rectangular shaped. Now, metal money, coins, of course they're circles, just to confuse things, but paper money, definitely rectangles. So let's think here. Oh, I know, I've got a good one. Why don't rectangles like fast food? Well, because they prefer well-rounded meals. Because there's no round. Okay, never mind.
That was very helpful, Louie. Thank you. We learned all about rectangles, and there's lots of rectangles in this fireplace drawing, Artie. Let's add another really interesting detail. 2 short lines and then a quarter of a circle. That's it, Artie. Could you do that again on the right side, Artie? Don't forget the quarter circle.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now it's the most exciting part, Artie. Let's draw the fire. 2 wavy lines, one on the left, one on the right, coming to a point at the top. And there's a big flame. Let's do another one on the right, Artie. May as well put one more in the middle. Well, that looks very hot and a little bit dangerous, Artie, so let's draw a fire guard. A fire guard is a sort of metal cage in front of the fire. It keeps us and the fire separate from one another.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Let's draw the rest of the fire guard. Fireplaces are very cozy and lovely and warm, but they can be dangerous, so always be careful to not be too close to a fireplace. Oh yes, Artie, that looks like a nice, safe fire guard. It's looking good, but something's missing in front of the fireplace. Perhaps a rug?
Yeah.
A simple horizontal line, 2 angled lines on the left and right, and then another longer horizontal line. And we have a rug. Do another long horizontal line, Artie. That will make the rug look like it has thickness. A nice, thick, comfy rug. You're finished? Well, I think it looks very cozy, Artie. It's going to need some really good colour, especially for the fire. I can't wait to see it.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Give it a splash of all the colors.
It looks wonderful, Artie. I love how you did the orange bricks and the cozy purple rug and of course the red and orange fire. It looks so lovely and warm for a winter's day.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye.